We're looking for content writer to join our team in the Philippines. Oh, Philippines. Let's check this. You can choose whichever language you feel comfortable in sa paggawa ng content. Pwedeng English, pwedeng Tagalog. Hello everyone and welcome sa ating home-based story. My name is Mimi and nandito ako to help you find different online opportunities and earn extra cash nang hindi umaalis sa inyong mga bahay. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito sa ating page or dito sa ating channel, please consider subscribing or following us. Okay, so guys, for today's video, may isa tayong viewer na nag-share ng kanyang online freelance gig. And sa freelance gig na ito guys, there are different kind of tasks that you need to perform para mabayaran kayo. So ito guys, yung mga shinare niya na payment proof. And excited na akong matry natin to and mapakita sa inyo kung paano nga ba kumita dito. So in this video guys, you will learn kung anong platform ito, ano yung mga requirements para makapasok dito, paano mag-sign up, ano yung mga klase ng task or trabaho dito, and of course, magkano yung payment or paano yung payout method. So, pag-uusapan natin lahat yan. Kaya naman, please stay with me until the end of our video para wala kayong ma-miss na importanteng information. Okay, so guys, yung platform na i-share ko sa inyo is OneForma. Similar siya guys sa ibang data collection websites or apps na puntahan na natin before like Microtask, Clickworker, ayan. So marami silang different kind of tasks guys. And ang requirement lang nila is kailangan meron kang device that can access the internet. Let's say your smartphone, your tablet, or a laptop. And syempre, meron din kayong either PayPal or Payoneer account para makuha nyo yung inyong payout. That's it, guys. There's no experience required, but you have to be at least 18 years old to join. So, tingnan natin lahat, guys, yung task nila. Let's go to our computer para ma-check na natin yung kanilang website. Okay, so guys, ito yung website na sinasabi ko sa inyo. You just go to jobs.oneforma.com and you will see this page. Ilalagay ko guys din yung link sa baba para diretso na kayo dito. Sabi dito, work whenever you want, whenever you want. And then, let's just click here on sign up. You can choose your avatar and then country of residence, select natin yung Philippines. Lagay lang natin yung name, last name, username, email, gawa tayo ng password, confirm natin. And then, click natin dito sa I have read and agree to the terms of service. So, basahin nyo lang to guys. Meron din silang confidentiality information. And then, you can sign here. Hindi naman kailangang perfect. Tapos, isa pa ulit, this one is your NDA or non-disclosure agreement. Sign and accept. Click yes, please. I want to join the OneForma community. So, sabi dyan, one more step. And you will soon receive an email to confirm your registration. So, ayan, nag-email na sila sa akin. Sabi dyan, welcome to OneForma. Here, you will see activate my OneForma account. Let's just click on that. Okay, so guys, I got this connection error where it says connection is not private. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is click natin yung advance and then proceed to OneForma. So, sabi dito, log into your OneForma account. So, sabi dyan, welcome to OneForma. So, ito yung kanyang magiging dashboard, guys. Find jobs and learn more. And then, here, meron namang mga suggested certifications that you can also do. Ayan. And then, ito yung guys, yung kanilang mga different projects. They have data collection, from picture and video collection to voice recording. And then, they have transcription, write what you hear. Internet judging. Internet judging is like rating different kinds of websites or posts. And then, translation, kung marunong kayo ng ibang languages. Testing, if you want to try and test out new technologies. And then, others that don't fit into the rest of the category. Now guys, before we move on with the video, I want to share with you an app that is super helpful for all the educators and teachers out there. I want to introduce you guys to TeachMint. TeachMint is the answer to all your online teaching needs. With TeachMint, you can take live classes with an unlimited number of students for unlimited duration. You can also record your online classes that students can view later. Now guys, let me talk about some specific features. First is this MCQ test creation feature. So with the Teachmint app, you can create a test for your students in just 2 minutes. Just take a snap, select the correct answers, and share with your students. And ta-da! And you know what, guys? These tests are auto-corrected, so your students can see the results in real time. You also get other features like an inbuilt whiteboard in the app to teach your students, and you can also easily share your notes and assignments with them. You can also get Teachmint for your desktop or laptop. And guess what, guys? This is absolutely free. So if you are a teacher, educator, or presenter, I highly recommend trying Teachmint. Download the app today. I'll put the link in the description box below. So if you are curious, guys, kung ano tong internet judging, tingnan natin. Click lang natin tong arrow. So we're looking for pure native speakers of English to work on audio judging task. Okay, sige, try natin to, guys. So walang required certification. The pay is $5.5 per unit. And meron sila ngayong 15 openings. So let's hit apply now. In order to complete your application, you need to compile the survey below. Continue. For this one, guys, we need to select our racial ethnicity, which is Southeast Asian, and just click on submit. And then it says here, congratulations, you've successfully applied for this job. You will receive an email with an acceptance decision with the next couple of days. Since we're still waiting for their email, let's go back and check other jobs. Guys, yung job, pag clinic nyo siya, dun nyo makikita kung magkano yung babayaran nila sa inyo. Ano yung klase ng job and ano yung mga kailangang requirements. So, iba-iba siya, guys. For example, itong data collection, they have here collecting picture of shelf products with at least one person in the photo. For example, like halimbawa yung mga supermarket, magpipicture kayo doon with the product. The rate is 70 cents per unit. And marami silang openings, nasa 800. Okay, they also have this teddy bear image collection. Pero guys, you have to check if it's applicable for our location. So this one is only applicable for those in Africa and India. So mas okay tong isa kasi mas mataas yung kanyang rate. So try natin ulit mag-apply now. If interested tayo, mag-email lang sila kapag na-accept na kayo doon sa project na yon. For transcription, favorite ng lahat, we're looking for content writer to join our team in the Philippines. Oh, Philippines. Let's check this. Okay, so this one is, well, almost 7 cents per unit daw. Using their own words, maggagawa daw kayo ng content at ito ay travel related. So, kung meron kayong experience before or kung gusto nyo lang bigyan ng try, you can try this. The average amount that can be earned is $100. So, upon applying, you will be asked to take a couple of certification. Click lang ulit natin yung apply now. You can choose whichever language you feel comfortable in sa paggawa ng content. Pwedeng English, pwedeng Tagalog. And then, let's just click on apply. Your application is now in progress. In order to complete your application, this job requires one or more certifications that you currently not have. So, click lang natin itong certifications. So, the more certification, guys, that you can finish, then mas maraming jobs yung magiging available para sa inyo. Okay, so guys, makikita nyo dito sa My Jobs yung different kinds of jobs that we have applied for. And makikita nyo rin dito, guys, yung progress ng inyong application, kung kailan yung tapos ng project. And kapag completed nyo na siya, dito siya mapupunta sa completed. And kung rejected naman kayo, dito nyo rin siya makikita. At least hindi sila paasa, diba? I suggest you complete your profile because the more complete your profile is, then mas maraming work from home opportunities kayong makikita. Ayan. Okay, so pagdating naman guys sa payments, kailangan nyo lang is i-update yung payment information nyo para ma-withdraw nyo yung earnings nyo. So, they're sending payments via Payoneer, PayPal, and bank transfer. So, for me, I personally prefer Payoneer. Kung meron na kayong Payoneer, click nyo lang tong link with OneForma or you can also sign up to Payoneer. You can use my link to earn $50. Okay, so mariredirect tayo sa ating Payoneer. Magla-login lang tayo. you've added a new funding source to your Payoneer account. Bumalik kayo sa OneForma, makikita nyo that your Payoneer account is being reviewed. So, maganda mas simula pa lang i-add nyo na guys yung inyong Payoneer or PayPal account para kapag nakapag-ipon na kayo ng amount, then all you have to do is just withdraw it. Okay, so right now, I need to work on my certifications and kailangan ko rin intayin, of course, yung email nung mga approvals. Ayan, so after 3 days, guys, na-receive ko tong acceptance email nila for the data collection, shelf group photo collection. And naka-attach na din dyan, guys, yung guideline na PDF. For confidentiality purposes, guys, hindi ko ma-share sa inyo yung buong guidelines. Pero dun sa guidelines, they provided some photos kung ano yung pwede, tsaka mga hindi pwede. So, marami silang example, pero ito yung dalawa, guys, na I think okay namang i-share sa ating video. Yung dalawang picture considered siya na one group. So per 2 pictures, mababayaran kayo ng 70 cents or 36 pesos. And you need to submit 1,000 groups, guys. So, that's 2,000 photos. So, that's a very high order, guys. Pero kung compute ko, pag natapos nyo siya, meron kayong $700. Ayan, so there you go, guys. That's OneForma.com. So, guys, yung data collection kasi is hindi siya para sa lahat. So, kung halimbawa, ikaw yung tipo na medyo sensitive na ma-share yung information mo sa iba. So, I would not suggest this job. Pero kung halimbawa naman, ikaw yung tipong naghahanap ng extra gig and okay lang sa'yo na mag-upload and mag-share ng information, ng photos, videos, and yung mga iba pang required data collection here, then definitely this is a good part-time and side income job for you. So far guys, sa review ng website na to, napaka-consistent nung kanilang mga data collection project. Halos hindi sila nawawalan. So, maganda dito mag-check kayo every now and then para consistent or para continuous din syempre yung inyong pay. Kasi the more na data na may upload mo para sa kanila, then the more pay that you will get. Ayan, so papakita ko lang ulit sa inyo guys yung payment proof na shinare sa atin ng ating viewer. Thank you, Joy. Kung meron pa kayong questions, comments, reactions, lagay nyo na lang guys sa ating comment section below. Again guys, congratulations to the winner. Syempre hindi ko pa nadudraw to ngayong nag-shoot ako, diba? Pero congratulations sa winner ng ating laptop. This Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is such a good starting laptop para sa inyo na mga naghahanap ng recommendation ng mura pero magandang laptop. For home-based job, I created a video of unboxing and review nito sa ating other channel, The Budgetarian Tech. So, I hope you guys can also check that out. Kung hindi naman kayo yung nanalo, don't worry guys. We have more upcoming giveaways on our channel. So, make sure you are subscribed and you follow our page para lagi kayong updated. Thank you so much for watching with me until the end of our video, and I will see you again for another work from home or earn from home video next time. Bye!